Hi guys, welcome to the video. So here we are going to just understand how to prepare analysis of financial statements. Okay, in the Telegram poll I have asked you whether you are going to study the financial statements, analysis of financial statement chapter or not. So many of you answered that you are not going to study or you are going to leave it in choice. I just want you to say something in this chapter. Okay, analysis of financial statement is not a new chapter. Okay, it is not a new chapter. Mix of all the other chapters which you have already completed. Okay, so you have two theory questions. What is the characteristics of good financial statements and best practices? These are the two theory questions you have to prepare separately, right? Apart from that, this is the illustration. In illustration there are totally 7 questions. See, the first question is based on financial instrument. Second question is Ind AS 105. Third question is Ind AS 10 plus Ind AS 2. It is a mix of both. Fourth question is about impairment. Fifth question is a big question. This one you have to practice at least once. Okay. And Ind AS 23, 38, Ind AS 113. So here question number 7, Ind AS 111, Ind AS 37 and Ind AS 109. So if you could see, it is completely a mix of all the Ind AS and it is not a separate chapter. Okay, it is actually a mix of all the other chapters. So now I am giving you the gist here itself. Okay, I will share the same PDF in your Telegram also. Okay, you can mark this in your book. So whenever if you are doing Ind AS 105 along with Ind AS 105, you also make sure that you are going to complete this question. Okay, such that whenever you are completing the chapter, then and there you will complete this question also. Okay, so that way you will be completing this chapter. At least if you're going to leave some chapters, if you're going to leave Ind AS 115, okay, then you leave this question. If you are not going to study, at least for other questions you just cover and go, such that one or other question you may get in the exam and it is very easy for you to score actually, right? So here also in test your knowledge, it is Ind AS 16 and Ind AS 40 together a question. It's very easy actually. Ind AS 37 and Ind AS 10. If you already know Ind AS 37, Ind AS 10, why to skip this question? Just see this question once and go to your exam. Okay, so here Ind AS 20 and 41, that is agriculture and government grant together a question. Okay, so here this one is a very big question. Okay, big sum, this fifth sum. So illustration and test your knowledge, fifth sum. Okay, that is these two sums are little bit big sums. You need some practice. So more or less you are going to take so each question will take at least 45 minutes to practice. Okay, and I would say like 30 minutes for your theory. Okay, theory. So more or less you can complete this chapter in 2 hours. Okay, if you pair these questions with other chapters, okay, respectively, then it will require only 2 hours maximum for this chapter, especially for this question number 5, in both illustration and test your knowledge, and for your theory. Other question you can pair up with the respective Ind AS and you can study easily. This is something many students don't know. They are blindly leaving the chapter of analysis of financial statement, which you should not do. At least do those questions which you have covered already, which you know already. Okay, so keep going. I will give you a lot of insights as we go further. Okay, be consistent, keep hydrated yourself, do well. Okay, all the best guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.